The Executive Magistrate of Kamjong District in Manipur has issued a notice against refugees from Myanmar prohibiting them from engaging in any form of business, trade or labor work. The notice clearly states that all refugees within the Kamjong subdivision are required to strictly stay within their designated refugee camps. They are explicitly forbidden from participating in any business or trade activities and from working as laborers or helpers in any capacity. It was also mentioned that any refugee found violating this order will face prosecution in accordance with the relevant laws and rules. The order states it is hereby notified to all concerned that refugees in Kamjong subdivision are to strictly remain in refugee camps only. Refugees are not only allowed to engage in any business or trade and are strictly prohibited from being engaged as laborer, helper, or in any other manner. Further, any refugee violating this notice order will be prosecuted as per relevant laws and rules, the order reads. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh on Monday told the Assembly that 6,746 illegal Myanmarese nationals have been detected in the state from May 3, 2023 to February 27 this year. The Chief Minister said 259 Myanmaris were pushed back to their native place after biometric data collection, while the rest are being housed in temporary shelters to prevent them from mixing with the general public. Singh informed the House that a reconciliation team chaired by the Gangmei of the Hill Areas Committee has been established to initiate talks with MLAs who skipped the session.